Title: The Cosmic Divide. Chapter 1. First Contact. In the year 2147, humanity had reached the stars. Colonies flourished on Mars, Europa, and even distant exoplanets. The discovery of faster-than-light travel had opened the galaxy to exploration, and Earth's nations had united under the banner of the United Terran Alliance, UTA. But peace was short-lived. It began with a signal, a faint, repeating pattern emanating from a star system on the edge of explored space. The UTA dispatched the Odyssey, a state-of-the-art exploration vessel, to investigate. What they found was beyond imagination: a massive alien structure, a Dyson sphere, encircling a dying star, and within it, a civilization far more advanced than humanity. The aliens, known as the Zorath, were a hive-minded species with a singular goal: the preservation of their kind at any cost. They viewed humanity as a threat, a chaotic and unpredictable force that could disrupt their carefully balanced existence. Communication attempts failed, and the Odyssey was destroyed without warning. Chapter 2. The War Begins. The loss of the Odyssey sent shockwaves through the UTA. The Zorath, it seemed, had no interest in diplomacy. Their fleet, composed of sleek, organic-looking ships, began to advance toward human-occupied space. The UTA mobilized its forces, but they were outmatched. The Zorath's technology was centuries ahead, their weapons capable of tearing through human defenses like paper. The first major battle took place near the colony of New Terra. The UTA's fleet, led by Admiral Jansen, fought valiantly but was decimated. The Zorath's ships moved with eerie precision, their weapons firing beams of pure energy that disintegrated anything they touched. The colony was lost, and with it, thousands of lives. Chapter 3. The Turning Point. The war dragged on. Humanity faced extinction. The UTA's scientists worked tirelessly to reverse-engineer captured Zorath technology, but progress was slow. Desperation led to the creation of the Ares Project, a secret initiative to develop a weapon capable of turning the tide. The Ares Project culminated in the creation of the Eclipse, a massive warship armed with a singularity cannon, a weapon capable of creating artificial black holes. The Eclipse was humanity's last hope. Chapter 4. The Battle of Sol. The Zorath fleet, now numbering in the thousands, entered the Sol system. Earth was their target, and they showed no mercy. The UTA's remaining forces, bolstered by the Eclipse, met them in a desperate last stand. The battle was fierce. The Eclipse's singularity cannon tore through the Zorath fleet, but the aliens adapted quickly, using their superior numbers to overwhelm human defenses. Just as all seemed lost, a breakthrough occurred. UTA scientists discovered a way to disrupt the Zorath's hive mind, causing chaos among their ranks. Chapter 5. Victory and Sacrifice. With the Zorath fleet in disarray, the Eclipse launched a final, suicidal attack on the Zorath command ship. The singularity cannon was fired at point-blank range, creating a black hole that consumed both ships. The remaining Zorath forces, now leaderless, retreated. Humanity had won, but at a great cost. The Eclipse and its crew were lost, and Earth's defenses were in ruins. The war had left scars that would take generations to heal. Epilogue. A fragile peace. In the aftermath of the war, humanity began to rebuild. The Zorath, now without a central hive mind, fractured into smaller factions. Some sought peace while others continued to fight. The UTA, wary of another conflict, began to fortify its borders and seek alliances with other alien species. The war had taught humanity a harsh lesson. The universe was vast and filled with both wonders and dangers. The stars were no longer a place of dreams, but a battleground where survival was never guaranteed. And as humanity looked to the future, they knew that the peace they had fought so hard to achieve was fragile, and that the next war could be their last. The end.